Is your room feeling more like a tropical jungle than a place to relax? And let's be honest, that fan is doing nothing but blowing hot air around. Well, don't sweat it. In the next few minutes, we're going to take this box and turn your room into a cool escape. Forget confusing manuals and wasted hours. We're getting this done fast. All right, let's crack this thing open. Inside, you should see the AC unit itself, a big exhaust hose, a remote, and a window kit. Just quickly glance at the manual to make sure all the pieces are there. It's also smart to grab a tape measure and a screwdriver. You might not even need them, but it's better to have them close by. Once everything's out of the box, let the unit stand upright for about an hour. This lets the refrigerant settle, and trust me, it's super important for it to work right. While we wait, we can get the window ready. Where you put this thing really matters. You need to find a spot that's close to both a window and a proper electrical outlet. And please, don't use an extension cord. These air conditioners pull a lot of power, and an extension cord can be a serious fire hazard. Also, give the unit some personal space. It needs about 1.5 feet of clear space all around it to breathe properly. Keep it away from curtains, furniture, or anything that could block the vents. The wrong spot can make your AC work way harder than it needs to, which just wastes energy and money. If you can, pick a spot out of direct sunlight to give it a head start. Okay, now for the part that looks tricky, but is actually pretty simple. The window kit. This kit is all about making a good seal to keep the hot air outside where it belongs. Most kits have panels you can adjust to fit windows that slide up and down or side to side. Just measure your window, slide the panel to the right size, and pop it in the frame. Then, close the window on it to hold it tight. Now, check for any gaps. Any little bit of air that leaks back in is working against you. Use the foam seals that came in the box to plug up any openings. If you still see some gaps, a little duct tape can be your best friend for getting that perfect seal. With the window kit locked in, it's time to connect the exhaust hose. This is what carries all that hot, humid air out of your life. Attach one end of the hose to the back of the air conditioner. It should just twist or snap right on. Now, connect the other end to the port on your window kit. Make sure both ends are on there snug and tight. You don't want any of that hot air sneaking back in. Here's a quick tip. Keep the hose as short and straight as you can. A long, droopy hose can trap hot air and make your AC much less effective. We're almost there. The hose is connected, the window is sealed, and now it's time for the big moment. Go ahead and plug the unit directly into that wall outlet we talked about earlier. Grab the remote, hit the power button, and you should feel cool air almost right away. Set the temperature to whatever feels good to you. Most of these also have a fan-only mode and a dehumidify mode, which is a lifesaver on those super sticky, humid days. You can also aim the little flaps on the front to point that cool air exactly where you want it. One last thing, your AC is pulling water out of the air, and that water needs to go somewhere. Some units evaporate it automatically, but a lot of them have a tank inside that you'll have to empty now and then. If yours has a drain hose option, you can just run it into a bucket or a nearby floor drain and forget about it. And just like that, you're done. You went from a stuffy box to a cool, comfortable room in just a few minutes. You can finally kick back and relax without feeling like you're melting. If this guide helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want more easy DIY guides that get straight to the point, make sure you subscribe. Oh, and a final tip. To keep your AC running great, clean the filter every couple of weeks. It's usually just a little screen you can pop out, rinse off in the sink, and slide back in. A clean filter means better airflow and lower energy bills. Stay cool.